Is your iPhone showing Home would like to send you critical alerts on iPhone? Let's fix that. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, try to force quit the Home application by swiping up and exiting the app. Or, if you have an iPhone with the Home button, then double click on the Home button and force quit the app. Now go to Settings and tap on General. Look for the iPhone storage option there. Tap on that and now scroll down and find the Home application there. Tap on that again and now click on Offload App and offload the app and reinstall it again. In General again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Lastly, if it is still not fixed, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a few minutes and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.